Welcome to the lecture where we are going to be discussing why are we going to use FollowLiker for our Instagram automation. Now firstly, FollowLiker is a program, or also known as software, which is going to help you automate all different types of tasks on Instagram itself, such as liking images, following people, unfollowing people, sharing your photos, etc. So right here where we are at is currently www.followliker.com, and then we are on the Instagram bot, which you can come into products and down to Instagram edition if you're following along. Otherwise, what we're going to do is just take a look at the actual features of FollowLiker, and then in the next lecture I'm going to show you how you can actually download or purchase the software to your computer. So here we go, we are currently just on the landing page, and right here if we just scroll down, avoiding some of this copy here, we can see the main areas of what this software can actually do for us, and it basically can do everything on Instagram. So this is why we are going to use FollowLiker, because it's extremely flexible in terms of what we can do. And looking at these here, this is actually a small chunk of the sort of power FollowLiker has. These are like the basics, sort of the icing on the cake, and ultimately we have a lot of control on how we want to automate our account, which is extremely important, because there are other services out there which will allow you to automate your account, but do give you limited control on how you can do those tasks. So you can come on this page, you can have a little read about what the software does. If you scroll down, you do see that it does cost money to use this. Luckily though, it is only a one-time payment. It isn't a monthly fee, or you don't have to pay every year, which is amazing. And what's great as well is that you can start off with the one Instagram account just to get a feel if you truly want to do this. And then what's great is that the FollowLiker team don't make you pay for, say, the 5 Instagram account license. All you have to do is pay the difference between each price. So originally I actually had the 1 Instagram account license, then I actually just jumped straight to the 97 one. So I just paid the difference between these to get unlimited accounts. So you could run, say, 5,000 Instagram accounts if you truly wanted to. If we just scroll down, this is what the software looks like. And just a little bit lower you can see the system requirements. And FollowLiker is great because in general you can use it on a Windows and Mac, and if you are a Linux user you can also do that. And then just in here you'll see all the information on the different types of operating systems which the software will run on, and you always have support. They have a great support team, so you are getting your actual money's worth. You have always 27 support, and they truly do help you, and it's quick response time as well. So altogether it's actually worth purchasing, and that's what we are going to look at next, how you can actually purchase it and then install it to your computer.